Hi, really quick video here on some headlight bulbs we're going to replace on Dad's 1994 Grand Marquis. Anyone who's driven a car from this vintage knows that the original headlights are terrible, and these are no exception. I'm not even going to show you the before in the dark how bad these headlights are, because you're not going to see much anyway. What has been sent to me has been these LED light bulbs from Novsight. I've installed them on other cars with a lot of success. This car has separate high beams and low beams, so we have a 9005 and 9006. We're going to install them on the car, and hopefully it will look pretty darn good. So stay tuned. I'm going to get them installed. I'll do a quick after. You can see how much better the lights are and how they look good on the car. So hang tight. All right, the bulbs are installed, and as you can see, they are a much bluer, brighter white color. All right, as soon as it gets dark out, I'll take it out and we'll check out how they look in the dark and how much more they light up the road. All right, here they are on low beam with the brand new LED lights. And then when I throw them on high beam, look how much further you can see. Pretty amazing, right? All right, they are gonna be on sale for Black Friday from November 20th to December 2nd. There'll be a link either below or in my bio. Go ahead and click on that, and you should get 50% off on those dates. So make sure you do that. Thank you for watching.